go into it, it does show. But generally the processing that is done, it is done only through consciousness, which only human beings have. That's why generally, if you see 99% of cases are generally human forms.
The animal life.
Yeah, they are there, but then we don't mention because we are generally following the Western school of thought. When the Western school of thought is only about the human forms. The Eastern school of thought talks about animals also. We generally don't follow. The way we practice, we don't follow the Eastern school. Are you getting me? That has to do with thought transmission. We generally do the legal or the official way. Yep.
Almost similar question. From the research point of view and actual fact...
I'll come to your answer. Huh?
No,
I've not forgotten it. Because that's going to take long.
as you have explained that there is a memory or file of past life in our brain.
Yep.
Now, recent I read an article about 1 month back
Okay.
that there are research in the US. One psychotherapist did research for 30 to 40 years. And
Yep.
famous, known as a mall experiment.
Mall.
Lost in the mall. He said, and accompanied by other fellow researchers, they say our brain is like that. It creates illusion.
True.
They did lot of experiment on this, and even childhood trauma, some of their cases, when they have investigated, they found that these traumas explained by the patient are not true. I mean, it was made up by their mind. Of course, there are cases related to past lives, then they have checked and all this. But nowadays, there is a craze about finding the solution of the present life in the past. Now, when you regress patient, how do you find these directional experiences about I was in this?
Good.
How far it is true?
Good question. So that's almost related to your question. Yeah? Anything else? Because I'll answer all of them.
And also, how do we know that the animals don't have a subconscious mind?
Animal has subconscious. Animals only have subconscious, but not conscious. Animals are instinctual. Huh? Animals are instinctual. They don't create anything new. Conscious mind to create. Animals never create. They have been millions of years back, they were dogs. Even now they are doing what they have done last. But they haven't changed. They have not started wearing pants. They have not invented the spacecraft. Nothing. It takes a conscious mind. It's instinct.
Yeah, it is said that human life is 1 out of 84 lakhs theory. So how will you try to explain about it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else? What? Yeah.
Do we get where we get stuck in that?
Okay, great. I'll answer that first. Yeah, I'll answer that first. Yep. Okay. Have you read it somewhere? No. That you get stuck? No.
Can we do something
This
practical?
is just out of your mind. Huh?
Are we going to do something practically a little bit?
Not possible. Not possible.
Get answered.
Not possible. Because it takes... See, first of all, you got to go into hypnosis. Yeah? And then second or third session, it happens that you might go. And it takes 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Yeah? Or more. I haven't seen any one of them. To be very honest, I have not seen. But I've heard that they show the timing, it seems.
Based on this last time.
Yeah. Trupti Jain ka. Yeah, I haven't seen, to be very honest, but people have said that they have timings below that. So that makes sense. Because I had a lot of calls saying how true it is. Okay. Your question. Okay. You go for a movie. Yep. And you watch a movie. You enjoy. Okay. You laugh with the movie, with the characters, and maybe you cry with the characters. And you actually become them. Or you might just become the hero. Or you might become the villain. But then once the movie gets over, what happens? What do? You come out of the hall. You never get stuck in the hall. When you watch a past life, you're actually watching a movie.
You don't get stuck in the hall.
Never. That's a misconception. That's an anxiety or fear. Let me tell you, any which way you are imagining all the things in your life, you never get stuck over there. Are you getting? So you never get stuck. Always come back. Any kind of hypnotic process or work you do, you'll never get stuck because it's your mind.
Identifying with those characters.
No. Any which way, see that I can go ahead. Any which way you're identifying with a lot of characters in your day-to-day life. You're not yourself any which way. तो उतना कुछ फर्क होता ही नहीं है.
There's always this story that you might get possessed by that.
Possessed by that.
And won't know it. I think that's the kind of question.
See what happens now over here. Your mind is quite receptive to a lot of things. It's not that you get possessed, but when you start playing all these things, you start moving in that direction. You start believing all those things, and whatever you believe starts coming true for you. And that's how there's no possession as such. It's start believing in it. And any which way, there are so many people who believe in it. हमारा black magic हो गया, हमारे life का कुछ नहीं चलता है, किसी ने हमारे पे जादू कर दिया है. You don't need to play a blank check to get possessed. Any which way, a lot of them are just possessed like that only. Yeah, now your question. Your question was, how can you say this is true? Yes? This could be just imagination. Right? Like some figment of someone's imagination. And I agree with both of you completely and the whole class completely if all of you say that. Yeah? If you say there's no past life, great, there's no past life. But when we go into, see, all our life, the whole of our life that we live is based on experiences. Not only experiences, the experiences that we believe in as true. Oh, my father, उसने ही मेरा जिंदगी खराब किया. I believe in it. And that's what makes me what I am. Yeah. So, do you agree with this, all of you? Yes, no? All of our life is only about belief. So you have a particular belief, you have a particular belief, she has a particular belief, and she has. And all of them are different. And that's why we are different. In our thinking, in our living, in our relating and everything, we are different. Now, there are two types of past lives. Okay, I'll come to that. Yeah. There are two types of past lives. That's what I say. One which is dealing with this area and one which deals with this area. What you are seeing on TV is generally this area. The primitive mind. But anything before yesterday or anything before last night is all past life. Okay, as per hypnosis.
The morning also past.
No, as per hypnosis. Otherwise, anything before this moment is a past life. But I'm not, because the mind takes. You have to. Age regression. Okay, and most of the times we do this work. Age regression, going back into the past. Bachpan mein ye hua tha. I had someone who came in and said that, okay, I was 9 days old and this happened. Like recently, she was having a lot of chills and all that. And when I put her into, she's saying, my father, we were twins, and my father at the age of, when I was 9 months old, the father said, okay, give her to the auntie, and this child I'll keep. Are you getting me? And still, till date, she hates her father. She must have heard it or whatever, but that's age regression. Okay, or at the age of 5 I was slapped or I was not given the chocolate or people teased me. That's all age regression. That's all done under hypnosis. Got it? That's one. Second is a life that is going into this area. The life that we have lived before this life. Now the question is it true? बराबर है? Because even if you go to a hypnotherapist or a past life therapist, the first person, अरे कितना सच्चाई है इसमें? That's why when you watch that serial, you are like, I don't know how true it is. Or is it made up? Is it fake? किसी को सुलाया बोला ये story बोलो, and then they have shot it. May not be true because, maybe true because the thing is that I have one of my students who shot, Monica Bedika आया था ना? And he said that I was there. And she actually went into past life. So I know that, and this was before the serial started. So he told me Monica Bedi is going to be there. Yep. Now, when we go into that age of 5, or when we go into that age of 9 days old, or when we go into the age of 7, 10, whatever, you can go and ask your mom or your dad and your uncle and say, "Arey, aisa hua tha kya?" "Haan, aisa hua tha." But all of our life is just the belief that we carry about our dads, moms, uncles and aunties. Yes, but there are certain beliefs that you don't have an answer for.